Hey, nigga, I don't wanna talk.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I just want to start off saying I fucked up. I called myself trying to make the hair whiter. I was using a purple shampoo, and now my shit is like purple tinted, but in the back it's like white, but in the front it's like purple-ish. But if y'all got ways of like fixing that, comment below. Thanks. Alright, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. Doing this hair, I went in with no plan at all. I just know that I wanted blue hair, so I guess this is like a freestyle. I was just making streaks and shit. Like, yeah, so tap in. you know what? Thinking about it, I regret these big ass chunks I was taking out. Like, I could have made like a smaller part. But I still like the way the wig came out, like color wise. But I think I should have used like a smaller part for that. Y'all see what I mean though? Like in the front, it is purple rain. Like I hate it here. But like I said, if y'all got any little tips, remedies, what the fuck, I'm sick. No, if y'all got tips and resolutions for this, please comment because I actually want to wear this wig. This wig was actually my birthday wig. I wore it on my birthday. It's like no choice type of shit. I'm gonna wear it. I couldn't play the music in the video. Y'all know how YouTube be, but I'm bumping that Shy Glizzy. Stream his new shit, Young Hefe 3. Period. Oh, and thanks for watching, y'all. I really appreciate y'all. Y'all so loyal. Thanks.